Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to clean gold jewelry at home, that too using very simple things, nothing much. So I have taken the setup. So this is also a live demo I will be showing you, not demo, live results I will be showing you how to clean it. So gold is always valuable, expensive, that is a part, and over that gold is always given to us by our loved ones or else something special to us. So we have to definitely take care of it. So guys, I always wear these two rings in my hand. So I will zoom the camera and show you how dirty it is. You can keep it in your finger and clean it. That also I'll be showing you. Suppose you are in a very hurry or urgent, you must be attending some functions. You can see guys, there are a lot of dirts here. Like it's looking so bad probably. And here I've taken some of the rings and jewelry. So guys, this is one more ring. This is one of my favorite ring. So you can see the condition. Why I'm showing you guys the condition, so that you can understand that there is a very bad condition of this, which I will clean it and show you right now. So all I have taken is normal water. You don't need something like warm water, hot water, just a normal tap water. You can see I'm holding it, it's a tap water. And I need is turmeric. So I'll take 1 spoon of turmeric. I will add here. Okay guys, and this is, you can see, Tide detergent. You can take any sort of detergent. Just a little of it I'll be pouring and showing you. So little I've taken, not much. So I'll just keep it somewhere here. So all I'll do is, and one more thing guys, you need a toothbrush, an old toothbrush. Okay. So I told you guys, if you are attending some, see how the color has changed guys. Yeah, I'll just zoom the camera and show you. See, it has turned to a reddish liquid. Guys, don't be scared. I will do it in front of you and I'll be showing you. Suppose there is a case that you are in a hurry and you want to clean it up, you don't want to remove it. So I'll just show you. So you can take the brush. All you do is just gently, you can just do it. Okay. You don't have to apply much of your energies or something. You can also do it in this way if you are in a hurry. Okay. So this one I'll just skip it. So in the meanwhile, all I'll do is I'll dip it off. You can see what I'm doing is I'm just dipping it off. Guys, you don't have to be tensed. It will get cleaned nicely. So the more dirtiest ring, I'll just clean it up and show you guys. See, this was the one I showed you which was very dirty. So all you need is a brush. So all you have to do is just gently see where the dirt is accumulated. So there all you will do is in a gentle process. Because guys, when you are all dressed up nicely and you wear an expensive and a valuable ring, and where you have dirt accumulated there, doesn't it look so dirty guys? So we have to be clean and always presentable and beautiful. Therefore we'll get it cleaned. And obviously guys, you will get the shine back also, because you are adding the turmeric and the washing detergent powder or soap. You can use any detergent. So guys, just hold on, I will wash and show you. So this one I did it previously and hold it and wash my. See the effect. And one more thing guys, when you are washing any rings, see guys, I'll just hold and show you. Isn't it looking good? And one more thing guys, be careful when you are washing any sort of ring in wash basin, because earrings and things might be very small. So if you are holding and washing by mistake, if it falls down, be aware of that. I have done some massacres when I was a kid or something. I did all those things. So guys, be very careful. So better is take the setup, sit and wash nicely, wear it and get it cleaned. Do not put it in basin or washroom, as it is little sort of risky. See guys, so all the things, you just need hardly 2 to 3 minutes. You just don't need much of time. Just a slowly gentle process will get your work done guys. So one by one. So all I'm doing is using a brush. Nothing guys, this turmeric and these things. Slowly you have to do it. Do not use much of force, or else you will end up telling me that, see guys, these are all gold jewelry. So I have taken my mom's jewelry only to show you that all the dirt accumulated has been cleaned out. So guys, you can see the liquid now after cleaning. This is what. So it's like some chemistry classes I have done now. So I'll be washing it, guys. I'm showing you. I'll wear it and show you.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on
This thing is all washed.
we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
See guys, the difference. This one already I have showed you. This one, isn't it clean? So in the similar way, you can get your things clean. All the dirt accumulated will also get cleaned up. All you need is an old toothbrush and a detergent and turmeric water and a plain water. Okay, you don't have to use something like warm water or tap water, or else if some damages occur, I cannot assure you. I always do in this particular way. This is how we clean gold jewelry. I've seen my mom doing it, grandma doing it. Even I do the same thing, guys. It really works out. It is very helpful. So you can get the shine and luster back again. So guys, I hope you have liked my video and all the things I have showed you live in front of you. That too using some very simple ingredients which are available at your house also. So you can get it done clean and you look good and you'll be happy with your valuable things. So guys, I hope you liked it. So I can expect a like from you. So basically, please do like my channel and subscribe my channel. So guys, meet you up in the next video. Bye guys. Hope you have liked my video.